2004 Toyota Sequoia, 4.6 liter V8. It's got high flow cats there and there. He came off the channel, he saw us, and he said, I want to get mine done. I said, come on down. So what we got done on it, he had a Flowmaster on it that he had put on it at another shop, and they actually put it on backwards for him. So it was super quiet and it didn't flow right. So we recommended dumps, because he says he hates his neighbors and his neighbors love him. So we got to make it as loud as possible, right? Yep. So we said we will make it loud as possible. So what do? True dual dumps right there. And there's that Flowmaster we cut off right there. And the tailpipe, we threw it away. And like always, guys, please subscribe and comment and like and all that good stuff if you like the sound. Hope you guys like it. Much better. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. I love it. Again? Sound decibels, go ahead. 160, dude. That's freaking awesome. Gotta back it up. So loud. There's that old muffler. Nobody likes mufflers, even Flowmasters. Makes it too quiet. Let them breathe. Let them scream, right? Yep. Disturbing the peace since 2004. Go ahead. Toyota Sequoia, baby. Again? Let you guys hear on the inside. 2004 Toyota Sequoia. Dumps, true dual, high flow cats, everything you can think of.